everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to talk about a brand new color and style by Belle Tress. This one is called Granada in the City Collection by Belle Tress, and it's in the new color Macadamia Latte R. Granada, potato, either way you say it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. It is a mid to long length curly style with a very manageable and beautiful bang. These bangs make this so wearable. We're going to get into that in just a moment, but first I want to let you know that this wig can be found right here at Wig Studio One. I'll attach the product link in the description below. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and pricing in more detail. If you have any more questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So the curl on Granada is a nice, round, bountiful curl. It's a broken spiral, but it's not shattered on the ends like we see on a lot of the Belle Tress. That gives it a softer, more feminine look. It creates volume without having a ton of hair. So this is a medium density wig style, but it's not overdone. And there's not a lot of permatease. You will find some at the back, at the nape, just to kind of hold that out and sustain it. But the real story here, I think, is the bangs, because with bangs, this makes it so much more wearable. It doesn't get in the face. Now, these bangs are about 3.5 inches, and that's going to come right to my eyebrow. And so I still have to sweep them a little bit off to the side so they don't get in the eyes, but I could definitely go in and trim these a little bit. It has a butterfly blending effect into the sides, so it's not undercut. And it just blends beautifully because it's multiple layers all the way around the face. I think that's so flattering. You'll notice that on the top, it is rather flat or low profile, and then it kind of blossoms into this rounder, softer curl. It weighs about 5 ounces. And again, that heat-friendly fiber that we know and love by Belle Tress. So now let's talk about this color, Macadamia Latte R. This one I think is also going to really surprise some folks because it looks so different compared to the color swatch. I was expecting a blonde, kind of like when I put my eyes on that buttered toast. I thought, oh, this is going to be a beautiful dark blonde. It does have a lot of blonde chunky highlights, but it just wasn't quite a blonde. This is truly a brunette color. So I'm going to flash up the code here, a 6, a 12, a 22, and an 8. Well, that 6 tells us there's a deeper, more medium brown at the base. It's very dynamic. The 12 is a lighter brown, and then your 22 is going to be an ash blonde, a light ash blonde, not quite platinum, but just a light ash blonde. And then there is some rooting there as well. And the rooting just blends in so beautifully on this color. It's hard to even pick out the root here. But you can see where there's chunkier pieces involved in that highlight, some coarser highlights, but also some finely blended highlights all the way around. I would say that this is a neutral, light brown. So let's go outside. I'll give you a real good look at this color in outdoor light, and then I'll do some styling for Granada. My reader glasses work wonderfully well between the ear and the ear tab on this style. There's not a lot of permatease or volume in that area, so it's a very comfortable glasses experience. So let's move this hair around a little bit, and I'll get you familiar with the movement, the density, and inspire you to style your new wig. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZSWICCLOSET.